Hello, divas. How are you? Okay, so after I gained 50 subscribers, which is a good thing, of course, because if I did not start, I would never have one. One day, this 50, I hope so, will reach a lot more ahead. But till then, let me talk about the eligibility for content creation. If you're thinking that I want to make videos on YouTube, then how do you start? So let's get to this video. Now, firstly, I just have 50 subscribers. Still मैं आपको ज्ञान दूंगी because at least I have started it. तो क्या माइंडसेट होना चाहिए ये सब तो एटलीस्ट मैं आपको सिखा सकती हूँ. अगर आपको ज़्यादा बड़े यूट्यूबर्स से सीखना है तो इट्स फाइन, बट या आई एम टेलिंग यू एक दिन मैं भी बनूंगी, लेकिन और फिर आप मेरे पास ही आओगे. Okay, that was the delusional me, of course. But the thing is that if you are thinking to make content, if you're thinking to become a YouTuber or any other influencer on Instagram or any other platform, let me tell you this, it will take time. It can take time, actually. There are also people who have made in 1 month or 2 months, but 98%, I think, don't make it before 6 months. This is what I think. And some people even take years. So you have to be, like, I just want to make content, not for the fame, not for the views, but just because I like this thing. I really like to yap in front of camera. That is the reason. Even though I have low views, I still make videos. So this is the mindset every creator should keep, and that is how only you can be consistent over here. Secondly, people are gonna judge you anyway, if you're a girl especially. You will be judged no matter what. You are judged by your clothes you wear, the crop tops you wear, anything you wear. You will be judged by what you are doing in your life. You will be judged if you have failed. You would be judged if you have too much money and you spend it around. You would be judged at every fucking point of your life. Whenever you are happy, you are judged. Remember this. So people are going to judge you on this basis as well, and it would be severe as well. Thank you for me. I haven't gone through this phase, but I know this phase is gonna come soon, like very, very soon. So this is the thing that you have to face judgment, because of course my quality is not good. I am doing stuff even though I am not getting views. But that is how crazy I am. Like the third thing is connected to this, that you should be crazy enough. Like even if you are like, oh, I'm sick, I'm not feeling like it, still you make content just because you love it. This is how crazy you are. Then only go to this field, because this field has many passionate people. To be honest, there are people who have left their jobs, their stable income, just to come into content creation. So you know this field has very passionate people. So if you're passionate about it, then only come to this field. If you're like time pass ke liye karte hai, it's of no use. It's of no use. It can be your part time as well, but you have to be serious to it. What the fuck is wrong with my English? But whatever. Okay, this is the thing. Thankfully, none of my friends know. I have told this like so many times, but I know they will get to know, and I would be embarrassed. But it's fine. Like I have made myself enough. I have given myself enough of practice that I can still manage with it. Anyways, so if you are crazy about something, any topic you can take. For me, I was the motivation one, and I think I make reels mostly on this thing. I also like feminism. I am a feminist, so I had made a video about that, which got a lot of views. So basically, whatever you feel, whatever you are opinionated about, whatever you are open to, you are crazy about something, put that on content. And I think this is the best way to get a good, content out of you with no practice, because something you are crazy about is something that you would also try to get better on later on. So this is something you can take an advantage of. And I think that everyone can do content creation, until and unless you are too scared of camera or you just don't like fame at all. These are the things that matter in content creation, because you are open. to everyone in the world. You have your opinions, you have your words to everyone in the world. They can hear you, they can see you. And you cannot, speak rash words over here. Like, I do speak all the bad words, but all people are like this, but you cannot say anything about someone's caste, you cannot say anything about someone's religion. You have to take care of certain things while going into the content creation. You cannot copy someone's content, because authenticity is something which is, you know it is very much inbuilt. And if someone copies this is not liked. I believe in making scriptless videos, whatever is in my mind. That's why you can see I'm making a lot of mistakes, but you are a person made up of flaws, and that flaws eventually goes to the perfection. So if you are waiting for a perfect moment, then I'm sorry, but content is not for you then, because there is no perfect moment. It's, you suck at something and then later on you figure out, but at least you make it exist. This is the thing. And you should know how to talk a lot, because in content you have to talk a lot. There are faceless channels as well, but anyway, but I prefer being talkative over the faceless thing, because I love to yap, I guess. But if you're a person who is like, I don't want to speak, but I want to document my life, then this is a good idea for you as well. Just I cannot, you know, teach about this topic, because this is something that is away, that this is something that I don't prefer. That's it. For myself, actually, not for everyone. But yeah, this is the topic. This is the thing that I am talking scriptless, and that's why I'm making mistakes. And still, the video is going on, and I'm yapping, yapping, yapping. So if you want to sit and make yapping videos just like I do, you should be okay by babbling on your words like I am doing right now, because everyone makes mistakes. That's what I want to say. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.